Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to share VBucks in Fortnite. So if you want to send a VBucks to your friend or share it with your friends, so here is how you can do that. So unfortunately there's no direct ways to directly send your VBucks to a friend. So however, we have a workaround that you can try. So if you go to the Epic Games website or to any trusted retailer, you can purchase a VBucks gift card. So for example, one here, so this is from the Epic Games website, so 1000 VBucks gift card. So I'm going to buy this. So if I hit on buy now, and then I'm just going to buy this card. So once this loads, so I'm going to just want to complete these complete the checkout and then buy the card. So for example here, so just choose the payment method, so do the payment and everything and buy this card. So once you have received the card, you will get a gift card code here, so with your purchase. So now you can send this code to your friend or anyone whom you want to share the VBucks with. So you can send that code to the friend, and then when they get to this page here, like fortnite.com/VBucks card, this is where we can redeem the VBucks card that we just purchased. So once you get to this page here, the fortnite.com/VBucks card here, so now click on the get started option, and all they have to do is simply enter the card code that we just purchased. So simply select that and then hit on next, and that's it. These VBucks will be redeemed to their account and will be added to their account. So this is how we can share VBucks on Fortnite, as there is no direct ways of sending it. So this is the workaround we have at this moment. So I hope this information video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.